In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tour and travel website using WP Travel Engine. This comprehensive guide will take you through the essential steps needed to set up your very own travel-driven platform. Let's dive right in, starting with the very first action you'll need to take. To begin, you'll first need to install WordPress on your hosting platform. For this, I recommend using WP Engine due to its reliability and ease of use. Once installed, you'll be ready to set up the backbone of your travel website. Next, it's time to install and activate the WP Travel Engine plugin. Navigate to the plugins section on your WordPress dashboard, click on Add New, and search for WP Travel Engine. Go ahead and proceed with the installation and activation process. This plugin is crucial as it equips your site with travel-specific capabilities, such as bookings and destination management. For a more seamless visual experience, consider installing a travel-friendly WordPress theme. You may also want to use Elementor if you're looking to have more control over your design elements. Customizing the templates will allow you to align your site's look with your brand identity. Having set up your theme, the next step is to dive into configuring the WP Travel Engine settings. This involves fine-tuning the features according to your needs. Focus on setting the currency that you'll accept payments in, which is a vital aspect of running a travel business. Speaking of payments, you'll need to choose the payment methods. WP Travel Engine offers various options like PayPal, Stripe, and bank transfers. Configuring these options correctly ensures that your booking process goes smoothly for your customers. Then move on to the booking settings page. Here you can tweak how reservations are handled, giving you complete control over the booking process and helping you maintain a well-organized tour schedule. Now let's add some destinations to your site. Head over to WP Travel Engine and find the Destinations section. Click on Add New to start creating a list of locations your tours will cover. Offering diverse and appealing destinations can be a major draw for potential clients. To make your offerings more attractive, you'll need to add trips or tours. Navigate to the Trips section, click Add New, and fill in the details, such as name, description, duration, price, and upload some captivating images. This part is where your creativity can shine, so ensure your tours are detailed and engaging. Make your trips easy to find by assigning them to specific destinations and categories, which will streamline the customer journey on your website. Once complete, don't forget to hit Publish to make your content live for all to see. Creating essential pages is the next crucial step. Think home, about, contact, trips, and booking pages. Utilize shortcodes or Elementor widgets to display your trips and booking forms efficiently, ensuring they are accessible and user-friendly. Lastly, customize the appearance of your site.